Okay, so we have an old four-wheeler chain here. Pretty old, dirty, rusty. I'm gonna see if I can get it to clean up a little bit. I've seen some people basically just soak it in some motor oil for a while, for a couple days, and then pull it out and clean it up a bit. So that's what I'm gonna do here is go ahead and just fill it up, and then yeah, give it a couple days and see what it looks like. Alright, so I've let my chain soak in the oil for a day and a half, maybe 2 days. And then I went to town kind of scrubbing it with this brush. Let's see over here. It's in a lot better shape than it was. I don't know if it's still perfect. I'm gonna scrub it down a little more and just kind of see what happens. But I'll probably reinstall it again. This goes on. This is for a Scrambler 50. I think a lot of people recommend cleaning it with either kerosene or diesel fuel after this. So I don't have either one, but that's probably what I'll do afterwards. So here's the chain. I got it installed back on the four-wheeler. You know, you can see that it's cleaned up quite a bit from what it was. It's still not perfect, but it doesn't seem like it's stretched out too much. You know, if you take and use two hands, grab it tight there, and then come around and pull on the links here. There's not a ton of movement. I think another thing you can check is if you're getting sharp on the edges of your sprocket here. So anyways, that's the cleaned up version of the chain, and you know, we're just gonna go with it like this. If you have a chain that's not quite as bad as this one originally was, you know, it should clean up fairly well. All right, thanks for watching.